Oh no, I hope I don't fall.
Yeah. CJ, full time. Gang. Okay, little nigga, I'm back with a sound. Nigga play with me, get hit with a round. You niggas some goofy, you niggas some clown. I drip in the water, you niggas drown. I am the king, where's my crown? Let me switch it up. We pick up that Glock and we flash for that tool. We shoot at you like we shooting a movie. Bullet so fast, you thought it was a Uzi. Now he looking real stupid. Straight from the west, you know where I'm from. I got some nigga that be told on that drum. I ain't that scope, right at your gun. Shoot a nigga up, he be so numb. Nigga play, get hit with sticks. Ain't through that scope and hit him in this shit. When he get hit with a hollow, wanna act like a bitch. One false boy, get sprayed by the K. Hit you with a bullet, your body gon' shake. Now you moving like a snake. Okay, little nigga, I'm back with a sound. Nigga play with me, get hit with a round. You niggas some goofy, you niggas some clown. I trip in the water, you niggas drown. I ain't that red dot right at your head. One wrong move, you gon' be dead. Don't go try to tell the feds. Whip out the Glock and I started flaming. People really out here say that I'm dangerous. I don't gang bang, I don't set claim, but I really blow out your brain.
Blow out his brain out, look like some noodles. Young nigga weak like a poodle. We spin on his block, it's a movie. I got that Glock, I don't think it's for choose. On your block with a Glock, so we pushing the pedal. I got that Draco on lock on my middle. That nigga a rat, that nigga gon' tell. Back in them great, thought that nigga had failed. Young little nigga, we callin' him Pookie. You just started out, nigga, you was a rookie. That nigga capping, he opened his mouth, all I smelled was Pookie. Open like all of us from the Jacks. Back in the 30s, used to play for the rig. Back that boy in the mouth, now he talking correct. Cause it wasn't about money or checks. RP the game, RP what I bang. You better go back where you came.
Say you got beef, don't care where you from. I spin your block with that 100-round drum. Connect the bullets, it sound like a bomb. Spray with that Drake, I better go down. Hit him so hard, now his body numb. Up on the beat, you know I'm gon' kill it. My flow's retarded, you know I'm the illest. Pull up on your block, you know we gon' spin it. Bullet hit anybody, you know you gon' feel it. Okay, little nigga, I'm back with a sound. Nigga play me, get hit with a round. You niggas some goofy, you niggas some clown. I drip in the water, you niggas drown.
Jaygo just put out a Draco and shot at a nigga. You know that we pullin' no triggers. I'm going harder and harder, yeah, bigger and bigger. Chain on my neck, 6 figures. CJ and Jaygo the best one to call. You know that we solving it all, yeah. Glock is the max, go bop, bop. We in it, gon' feel, go raw, raw. Pull out that 40 and do. Boo, 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 boo. You know that we rapping our style. You know that we carry them Glock. We not gonna stop. That nigga here ran up on me, he a flaw. Guess all them bodies that draw. Ha 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 ha. All of them bodies they piling. Just like he had me, we wildin'. That nigga sucked the Titanic with his shoes, bro. I'm sorry.